I have a problem with me on moment, okay? Students normally find this problem somehow difficult because it's quite technical. So I'm here to help out. I name my humble self Mr. Brown. As a physicist now, so let me assist this current WAEC on moment. So before I approach this problem on the board, don't forget to subscribe, which is very, very important because every blessed day I will drop a new video on that. So with the help of this diagram, I can be able to what? To actualize this problem on the board. I can be able to solve this problem on the board. As you can see, this is a knife edge, okay, and this is a metal rule. This metal rule is being placed on the knife edge. So the function of this knife edge is to what? To create an equilibrium, balancing points, so that this knife edge should be able to what? Ascertain its what? Equilibrium states on the what? On the knife what? That the metal rule should be able to ascertain its equilibrium what? State on the what? Knife edge. So as you can see, I have my what? From this point to this point is what? Y. Y from this point to this point is what? 2 meters, okay? This is the mass being hanged on the what? On the meter rule, and this is the what? 500 watt Newton, the force that is being hanged on the what? Meter rule as well. So, hint number 1, if there is any distance here, you don't make use of it, but you make use of the one inside of what? The one after the what? The force, which is closer to the what? The knife edge. Like this 2 meter now is from this point to this point. That is exactly what I'm going to use. So, the same thing from this point to this point is what? 2 meter. Y from here to here, the same thing as what? Y. Okay, and I'm looking for my what? Y. So, the first thing is principle of what? Moment. We have principle of moment, solution to this particular problem. The first thing I'm going to use is principle of moment. Before that, here is what? Here is clockwise, and here is what? Anti-what? Clockwise. Here is clockwise. Here is clockwise, and here is what? Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Okay, so with that, my principle of moment is that my clockwise is equals to what? My anti-clockwise. That means my clockwise moment is equals to what? My anti-clockwise what? Moment. So my clockwise, which is this, I have my what? Force times what? Distance, which is equals to what? My anti-clockwise, which is this part. I still have my what? Force times what? This times, okay? I'm looking for this word, this D. So my F times what? Y is the same thing as what? My force times what? Distance. As you can see on this, I have my words. I need to look for this particular force, okay? So my F is equals to what? mg, okay? So with that, my mass is given. My mass is given to be what? 200 times what? My gravity is what? 10, which is equals to what? 2000 what? Newton. So I've gotten my what? My force on this, okay? Where my what? G is equals to what? 10 meter per what? Second square. My mass is given as what? 200 gram. Okay, look at it now. I've made a mistake on this. This mass is in grams, so I need to convert it to what? Kilogram. So I need to change this mass to what? Kilogram, which is what? 1000. Which will be like, I'll have my what? 0.2 kilogram. So this will be what? My 0.2. Okay? Let me confirm what I did. 200 divided by 1000. I have 0.2 kilograms. So this is now 0.2. My 0.2 times 10. I'll have my 2. So here is 2, okay? Sorry about that. So here is 2 Newton. Okay, so this force here is what? 2 Newton. So I can apply my principle of what? Moment, which is what? My force times what? Y is equals to what? force times what? Distance. My force here is what? 2 Newton, which is 2 times what? My y is equals to, my force is what here? Is 500 times, my distance is what? Distance is what? 2, okay? So I have my 2y is equals to what? 100. Look, I have my 2y is equals to what? 10,000, not 100, 10,000, okay? That's 500 times 2, 500 times 2. I have my 1,000, not 10,000, 1,000. So, I'm looking for what? My y. If I do by coefficient of what? Y, which is what? 2, which is what? 2. 2 we go, 2 we go. My y is equals to what? 500 what? Meter. So, this is the answer to this particular problem on the board. It is quite easy and quite simple. Don't forget to what? Follow me on my what? YouTube channel, okay? Thank you so much.